Hey guys, it's Earth2 in the know. We have another amazing announcement coming down the pipeline from Earth2 today. We hope this day finds you well. A brand new partnership for Earth2. Fine citizens and future builders of Earth2, please welcome our community's brand new partner, MetaGravity. So who is MetaGravity and what do they do? Let's hear from the CEO, Rashid Mansour.
Experiences. So could you tell us a little bit more about that?
Yeah, absolutely. So MetaGravity was founded to solve a very fundamental problem right now in our aspiration for the metaverse. Games today are relatively limited in their multiplayer capabilities. You can have maybe a couple of hundred at a stretch if you relax some of the constraints in terms of players in a game, and there's a limited number of AI, limited number of interactions you can have in such a world. And game designers work within this sort of computational budget to design an experience, and that constraint sort of governs everything that you sort of see in the industry. But the future of gaming looks to be much more social and much more network intense, you would say. And that capability doesn't exist today in terms of the engine technologies, the server technologies, the networking code. And MetaGravity is building that infrastructure to make those kinds of games possible.
So what the company does is create large-scale gaming environment solutions in the industry. They use AI technology to create faster rendering gaming environments. But where did they get their start? The creators got their start with a company called AdBrain, a big cloud data company that focused on advertising. After selling this company, they started MetaGravity. After doing a little bit of consulting in the blockchain space, they decided that it was the perfect space to get into. Their end goal is to build a cloud infrastructure that can support the space needed to create massive open world environments for gaming solutions. They have set up their platform to make it super easy while having the dev teams being fully integrated into the infrastructure. They are already 2 years ahead of their technical roadmap, so things are looking bright. Anyways, let's get into the announcement and the E2 case study by MetaGravity. So the article was released out of San Francisco, California on March 17, 2024. MetaGravity, a leading provider of decentralized cloud infrastructure solutions, and Earth2, the creators of a groundbreaking one-to-one scale interactive digital replica of the planet Earth, have officially announced in a partnership today. Their partnership aims to leverage MetaGravity's hyperscale engine to achieve unprecedented levels of scalability and performance within Earth2, addressing the unique challenges of multiplayer support for their supermassive, interactive, and geolocational virtual world with the goal to support large-scale populations of human players and AI NPCs. Earth2 is the world's geolocational metaverse, an evolving creation of a second virtual Earth that bridges a clear, familiar, and relatable link between physical and virtual reality. The innovative approach to the metaverse establishes a direct correlation between locations in the real world to locations in the metaverse, and our goal is to continuously develop and evolve the pristine one-to-one scale interactive 3D Earth, providing people with a massive, open, seamless world to participate in and over time build an alternate reality around our physical existence. Since launching in November 2020, Earth2 has grown to become the largest virtual land registry worldwide in size, ownership diversity, and value, with over 100 million parcels of land sold to date, and it continues to grow. 3 years later, they are still here, developing and releasing core systems, remaining steadfast in their goal to build Earth2 as they begin the exciting transition into the 3D world of E2v1 with emerging multiplayer support. So here we have a little bit about MetaGravity hyperscale engine powering multiplayer in a planet-sized metaverse. Traditional game engine architectures struggle to manage the immense computational demands inherent to Earth2's expansive and persistent environment, especially when it comes to providing a massive multiplayer online experience on a single sharded server. I'm going to pretend like I know what that means, and we're going to continue. So this is where MetaGravity's hyperscale engine emerges as the solution of choice for Earth2. Let's get it. Offering a suite of innovative features, Hyperscale Engine is designed to surpass concurrent player count limitations with high visual fidelity and density. Not only does Hyperscale break through player concurrency limitations, it also proposes to help Earth2 maintain high visual fidelity and intricate world detail, creating true spatial computing immersion. It reduces server cost through dynamic computation allocation, hyperscale engine, and the potential to deliver superior cost efficiency. It's easy to use. The hyperscale engine has the capability to integrate with Unity 2023, a development workflow Earth2 is extremely excited to try out. MetaGravity and E2, a partnership for an unbound digital world. We love it. We're here for it. Let's get it. This collaboration empowers Earth2 to vastly improve on their existing in-house multiplayer system and achieve the following. Scale high-fidelity player avatars with complex physics interactions anywhere in the world, enabling users to explore, interact, and encounter various experiences across their vast digital landscapes. It can support large-scale community-based minigames, achieve never-before-seen levels of multiplayer inside a world-scale replication. The partnership signifies a significant step forward for the evolution of the metaverse, paving the way for unprecedented levels of scalability, performance, and immersive player experiences within a supermassive and geographically accurate digital reality. Wow, that is a mouthful. Try saying that after having a few cocktails. About MetaGravity. MetaGravity is building the fabric for digital reality. Their new cutting-edge approach to compute parallelism for games and virtual world simulations delivers market-leading scale, lowest operating costs, and ease of use through integration into leading game engines. MetaGravity, a leading provider of decentralized cloud infrastructure solutions, and Earth2, the creators of a groundbreaking one-to-one scale interactive digital replica of the planet Earth, today officially announced their collaborative partnership. So remember guys, today was the official release of the announcement, and we're super excited about it. This collaboration will leverage MetaGravity's hyperscale engine to empower Earth2 to achieve unprecedented levels of multiplayer scalability and performance within our supermassive virtual world. Building a pristine one-to-one scale interactive digital replication of our planet. Here is the executive summary. MetaGravity aims to overcome the current obstacles in developing expansive game environments and support Earth2's ambitious mission of constructing an authentic replication of our physical planet Earth within the metaverse. So now we're going to jump into the case study and what they've been doing with Earth2 for a little while behind the scenes. This case study showcases how the MetaGravity engine can easily merge into existing game templates, support the supermassive multiplayer features across all essential game elements, and Earth2's live deployment. So now we have to talk about the challenge. Earth2's mission is to digitally represent each real-life location to a virtual world called the geolocational metaverse. They aim to build a pristine, one-to-one scale interactive digital replication of our planet. Again, these are all things that we know, but this has to go in the case study on their end. And just like in the real world, they aspire to create a digital reality without any limitations on player access. There are numerous available multiplayer solutions in the gaming market, but none of them can truly capture the vision of Earth2. Having a larger number of players in the metaverse in real time on a single instance seems unattainable. Their words. Fortunately, that is not the case for MetaGravity. Let's go! Their company aims to scale games to sizes that no one could even dream of. Integrating our tools with Earth2 is a perfect opportunity for us to demonstrate the extent of our market-leading technology. Can't wait to see it. Dun dun dun! The partnership. So like I said, they've been working behind the scenes for a while. We initiated the Earth2 project in December of 2023. Our primary goal was to deliver an initial integration of the template by building a bespoke network replication application programming interface, an API, to integrate with the MetaGravity engine. This way, we were able to deliver a scale multiplayer video demo with a minimum of 5,000 avatar movements and physics interactions. Cheesy dad joke incoming. Let's jump into the specifics of how we executed this. So these were the solutions and the implementation. The target was 5,000 concurrent units, or CCUs if you're in the biz, which by the way I'm not. I just learned that's what that meant today. First, we embarked on a discovery phase where we collaborated to kickstart the project, comprehend the architecture, and establish precise project deliverables. Look at her looking all smug. After that, we accomplished the initial implementation of Earth2's template by creating a tailored network replication API that effortlessly merges into the MetaGravity engine. I don't know why, but I just really love this super guy with the green cape. All of this to enable the complete launch of a Quark plugin that supports supermassive multiplayer features across all essential game elements, along with the live deployment. Interoperability and ease of use. MetaGravity engine is highly adaptable when it comes to cloud providers. It doesn't matter if our clients prefer Microsoft Azure, AWS, or Google Cloud. We can seamlessly work with any of them. Now keep in mind, I didn't put a bunch of quotation marks in here, but all of this stuff comes directly from their report. It says we are also capable of supporting on-premise software, making us truly cloud agnostic. I love this quote right here. The revolution starts when new opportunities arise. And that's what MetaGravity is doing, opening up endless possibilities for developers to create infinite and persistent game worlds. Game engine optimization. MetaGravity can integrate with any game engine, whether it's a popular one or a custom-made engine. The best part is that no advanced programming skills are needed to integrate new features within Earth2, making it faster and more cost-effective than any other current solutions in the marketplace. It is crucial to ensure that when handling supermassive multiplayer game simulations, particularly as vast as Earth2, the game remains both scalable and sustainable in the long run. That's why our technology focuses on the fundamentals, such as Network API and its integration within our platform. Drum roll, please. The results. Despite being in the early stages of our partnership, we can already share some results. They, as in Earth2, tested 5,000 CCUs, which is the concurrent users. After successfully achieving the initial milestone for Earth2, which involved developing a customized network replication API based on their template, we are proceeding with the launch of the Quark plugin. This plugin enables seamless multiplayer functionality for crucial game components and facilitates the real-time deployment of a supermassive multiplayer game. Let's talk reduced development costs. As Earth2 grows larger, they require more cloud capacity, leading to higher energy consumption and climate impact. By creating a scalable distributed cloud infrastructure, we overcome current limitations in the game development industry. The integration of the MetaGravity engine significantly reduces Earth2 developmental costs and enables them to operate independently. Now let's go ahead and talk about that faster development cycle. We firmly believe that in order to handle the growing complexity and scale of large environments, it is imperative to enhance compute capacity, which makes total sense. We emphasize the importance of ensuring that this process remains as straightforward as possible. Integration with the MetaGravity engine makes it possible for Earth2 to build their virtual world faster, due to spending less time trying to scale the game environment with full physics interactions and collisions. So there you have it, the full scoop on the new partnership. As always, we cannot wait to see you in the metaverse. If you found this information useful, please feel free to like and subscribe. I'll love you guys forever.